What ever happened to Chucky?
Jake, where the hell are you? You're the only one I can talk to about what really happened.
It's been a really tough year.
Are you as happy as you made me?
Who is this? And why the hell are you calling?
To make sure you're home.
Miss Cross, Mr. Evans, and Mr. Wheeler.
Do you know why you're here?
I know your history. It's just a doll.
When do we get to start stabbing people?
No matter what, he's gonna come for us again.
Oh, I hate that doll. I need Tiffany to get what's coming to her.
Glenda, come to Mama.
Let go.
Dear sweet godmother of Hail Mary, Jesus.
This is for Kyle! No!
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna pray? Just looking at me is scary enough to give you a heart attack? Oh my God, thank you.